So yun, nasa gym na ako. So first meal natin to, pre-workout meal na rin. 155 grams ng cooked ground beef, tsaka 120 grams ng rice and 20 grams ng honey. So ito, pre-workout natin. Day 1 ng cutting natin, 2,300 calories starting natin. And we'll see. Kailangan na natin mag-commit ulit kasi nawawala na tayo sa tamang landas. Tsaka baka lumobo na naman tayo. So, kainin ko lang to tapos workout tayo ng upper body. Okay, tapos na ako kumain. So, 10 to 15 minutes na digestion walk lang bago tayo mag-training. Papabalan tayo na kinain. Grabe yung pace ko. Flappy na naman siya. So, yeah. After neto, mag-training na tayo ng upper body. Okay, 15 minutes na. So, let's start ng training. So, new training block tayo. Week 1. Upper body. Okay, first exercise, lat pull down. Yan, ganito ako, Bis Vincent. Lalakad-lakad. Kayang steps eh. Make it 6 inches.